All right, welcome back, everybody. You know the drill. We got a church to paint here, and I've got some decent paint today. I'll go over that. It's a little noisy with the cleaning crew here today. It's going to be kind of a big job. I'm going to have to try to do the best that I can. I don't know what the reach of the particular ladders is going to be. I'm going to have to check that here. That's about looks like about a 12-foot ceiling here. So we got, there's a pretty good ladder up here. I think it's going to do the job. So a couple key points. Don't bust any statuary, right? It's irreplaceable stuff. This stuff is ancient, was given by other churches when this began. Don't spill any paint. We got 5 gallons here. It's going to be a nice tan, a light tan, which is going to offset. Right now there's no offset in the church because of just the abundance of sheer white in here. So that's gonna be nice. I think it's gonna look good. Well, I'm gonna get going. The goal today is to cut in everything, and after cutting in, it's probably going to take 2 days. Then we're going to roll it, okay? Then we're going to roll it. I think the ladder height is going to be fine in terms of reaching everything I need to reach. Yeah, this is still within safe bounds here, which is good. I was kind of worried about that. So, my cutting in, I probably don't have to remove too much stuff today. No air conditioning, so that's going to be the real barn burner here. There it is, nice and subtle. It'll dry a little darker than that, but certainly don't want to have shocking change here, but just knocking down the white will be a big plus to making it look a lot more, well, warming it up from all the cold blues in here. Cutting in the back on the organ here. You see there's a lot of stuff that nothing ever gets thrown out in 50 years or whatever it is. Every scrap of paper, everything has been saved here. I almost feel like it is. So I just have to carefully, but this is like one of the hardest parts of this morning anyway. It's just being very patient, exercising the virtue of patience and getting it done. Let's see how this color dried over here. Yeah, it's nice. It's like a mission sand color. I think that's going to be really good. Yeah, I think that's going to be good. I feel like she's keeping an eye on me today. I'm watching you. Slowly but surely, I'm trying to avoid the big accident today. You can see everybody will say, oh, now that ceiling needs to be... these things could be spaced a little better too. Up here. Wow, is it hot? Hot. Yeah, I'm going to kind of shift these around a little bit. Show you guys a little bit of a sad reality. Just when I was working this morning, evidently there was a ruckus, and well, they have destroyed the sign today. And Father's like, you tried to do so much for people, and I still might be able to use this. I don't know, it's terrible. Sometimes I guess nothing should surprise me anymore in the most pagan nation in the world now. So how sad. Unreal. Anyway, on a more positive note, boy, talk about discouraging. Don't tell me there aren't forces of evil in the world today. On the other note, I've got this pretty well cut in on most of the sides. I have to redistribute the panels here. But I think it looks cleaner in the back, so we just have to push forward and keep making things better in the world. That took some time to cut that all in, but I think I got it pretty good without any disaster back there. So I'm going to extend the paint out a little bit here, so rolling will be a little faster. The more prep work I do now, the better and easier it'll be when I grab the roller. It's going to take about 2 days to get everything cut in and prepped, and then 1 day to roll and another day to finish everything up. That side is now painted underneath and all around there. I'm a little out of breath winging a ladder around here, but I was really careful up there. Thought I could envision a major catastrophe up on in the sanctuary area. Just my luck, knocking over St. Anthony here. So I'm now going to start around the back, and then it should be a lot faster going up this side, mainly because I don't have all the statuary and everything to worry about. So this is going to be problematic as can be up here, but I always tell myself, don't look too far ahead, just keep rolling. I've gone around as much as I can today. I'm starting to get ladder legs here. Ooh, I wish I was 30 again, but I'm not. But made great progress today and almost doing the whole upper. The bottom is easy, it rolls along, but the top is a lot of ladder work, so you got to be patient and prevent that catastrophic fill. So I took asked Father take the hooks out of here. Doesn't need to have any more, and I'm going to fill these kind of holes with the spackle that I have. And then be back with some concluding thoughts under direct supervision here. That's going to do it for me today. First day wrap. I got a lot of cutting in done. There was some people that needed priestly attention there, so I took that as my cue about 5:30 to wrap up today. Yeah, I'm on the clock an extra half hour, right? So priests are generally there to buck you up and help you feel a little better about life. And today, I don't know, maybe I felt like I kind of bucked him up a little bit, seeing the disaster of the sign, that there's still people that care. Like you guys, I wouldn't even be able to undertake this project, and it's not me, it's you that provided the material for painting and all that. And I know I look atrocious today, but I've got ladder legs. I can muscle spasms. I'm not a spring chicken, but I'm a happy one. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up are appreciated. Make sure to stay tuned. We got 3 more days ahead. Woo.